Roger? I waved at you first this time.
Thank you so much.
Man, I want to give you appreciation for helping me on my dog searches. I got you some extra, there's some gloves and hot lunch, and
Wow, thank you.
did you give that girl that message for me?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, I appreciate that. I was looking for you down here, and I wanted to say thank you. And anything else I can do for you? Give you a ride or phone call, whatever.
What I do need is I got a tent, but I don't got the tent place for it.
You need tent poles?
Yeah,
How big's your tent?
looks like a pit.
I'll go get you a bag of tent stakes. Be right back.